Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the N-Fab Nerf bars on this 2014 Toyota Tundra. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're on the driver's side with the driver's side board, and now the way you can tell that this is oriented correctly is that at the front of the vehicle you're going to have a shorter distance between the end of the bar and the bracket than you would in the rear of the vehicle, and you're also going to have two brackets underneath your driver's side door. Alright, you're going to have 6 factory holes along the side of the truck, and the kit comes with bolts, lock washers, and flat washers to go in. Just like that, just lift the board up and all your holes should line up with the holes in the brackets that are on the board. Just like that. And again at the top. Alright, this is the second mounting location. Again, you're just going to take a bolt, lock washer, and flat washer and run it right into that factory hole. And we're just going to leave this finger tight for right now until we get all 6 bolts in, and then we can go ahead and tighten them down. Okay, and this is going to be your third and last mounting location, and it's going to be right towards at the end of the cab. Alright guys, now that we have all 6 bolts loosely in there, we can go ahead and tighten these all down. Now you don't want to use an impact or anything like that because you could have a chance of stripping out the factory holes. So we're just going to use a 1/2-inch socket, and the instructions say to tighten that to about 15 foot-pounds. Alright guys, and you're going to want to repeat that entire process on the other side. Alright guys, that completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.